Believe it or not, in the middle of a super busy city, there's a gateway to another time. I'm talking about the Mahadji Shinde Chhatri, and this place is absolutely insane. It's a tribute to a legendary warrior, a mix of crazy architecture, and it has a super old temple inside. You can't get this place without knowing the absolute legend it was built for. Mahadji Shinde. This guy was an epic military genius, born way back in 1730. After a huge battle, he basically put the entire Maratha Empire back on the map. He built up his army, took back power across India, and was so influential, he was basically running things in Delhi. The story starts with him building the temple you see right here. When he died in 1794, this is where his last rites were performed. Then, over 100 years later, his family built this insane memorial to honor him forever. They took two completely different styles, Rajasthani and English, and smashed them together. This main hall is made of this awesome golden stone, with insane carvings all over it. But then, you see these giant, colorful stained glass windows and a crazy iron spiral staircase, like you'd see in Europe. It makes no sense, but it looks incredible. Inside, they've got giant chandeliers hanging over a statue of Mahadji. And right next to all this craziness is the Shiva temple, which is the whole reason this place exists. It's way more traditional, and the inner room is made of black stone with the actual Shivalinga that Mahadji prayed to. You have the insane memorial hall and the super peaceful temple, all telling the story of one legendary leader. It's one of the most insane hidden gems in all of Pune. I want to know if you have ever been to this incredible site, so spam the comments below. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe right now for more.